Hi everyone! Welcome back to Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun drawing all kinds of amazing animals. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a zebra. So grab your paper and pencils, and let's get started. First, let's start by drawing the zebra's head. Begin with a long oval shape tilted slightly to the side. This will be the main part of the zebra's head. Draw a small, rounded rectangle at the bottom of the head oval for the snout. Add two tiny ovals inside the snout for the nostrils. Now, let's draw the zebra's eyes. Draw two small circles inside the head oval, one on each side. Next, let's add the zebra's ears. Draw two small, pointed ovals on top of the head, one on each side. Let's move on to the zebra's body. Draw a larger oval shape connected to the head, with the top of the body oval slightly overlapping the head. This will be the zebra's torso. Don't forget the zebra's tail. Draw a long, thin line at the back of the body with a small tuft of hair at the end. Let's draw the zebra's legs next. Draw four long, straight lines extending down from the body, with small rectangles at the bottom for the hooves. Make sure the front legs are straight and the back legs have a slight curve. Great job! Now comes the fun part, dotting the zebra's stripes. Draw irregular, thick black lines across the head, body, and legs. The stripes should be uneven and different sizes to give the zebra a natural look. Let's bring our zebra to life with some colors. The zebra's body will be mostly white, but feel free to add some light gray shading to give it depth. A beautiful, colorful rainbow. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time! A beautiful zebra standing proudly in its natural habitat. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time!